the shelf board from online, both the bottom board and the door upper shelf board. Hi everyone, next is the installation video for the fruit frame with 2 drawers and 2 doors. First, when unpacking, first find the 2 longest brackets from the parts. Per the video, brackets are not left or right specific, but they are front and back specific. Note the bottom has 2 holes, which are for the fence. The fence is at the front. Then we find the bottom board and door upper shelf board. The upper shelf board is the one above the bottom. The bottom board and upper shelf board are easy to tell apart. Both have grooves. Note the door upper shelf has 2 small wooden blocks. Next, we introduce the vertical strips and stop strips. Starting from the left, 2 drawer stop strips, 2 vertical strips with holes in the middle, 2 back panel double groove insert strips, 4 regular vertical strips. Next, let's try assembling the bottom first. Find the brackets and the bottom board. Note the front and back of the grooved bottom board. On the back, face up, find the longest hex screws and install. Once assembled, stand the frame up and set it aside. Next, find the door upper shelf board, which is the shelf with 2 small wooden blocks. Don't rush with the board. Find 2 regular vertical strips and install them in the shelf's middle. Note, install the small strips into the outermost middle holes of the shelf. After installing, set it aside for now. Now you see the door panel installation position. Use the smallest screws in the gap between the small wooden blocks. Note here, when you install, first decide if the door goes on the left or right, because the door can be installed on either side. Once decided, just install accordingly. Next, find the previously assembled parts. The bracket and bottom board structure. Per the video, find 2 double groove insert strips. Install them in the corresponding holes on the bottom board. The double groove strips secure the back panel. After installing the strips, find the key divider board. Note that the divider's sides have different hole patterns. One side has 4 holes. The other side has 2. Install with the 2-hole side facing the bottom, the 4-hole side faces up. After installing, find the drawer slats. Also note here, the drawer can also be installed on either side. If you want the drawer on the left or right, it's up to you. Once decided, just install it yourself. After that, find the fence and install it first. Install it as shown in the video. The fence goes on the front of the frame. After the fence is installed, stand the frame up and start installing the back panel. If the back panel doesn't fit well on both sides, you can loosen the screws a bit first. Then find door upper shelf board with regular vertical strips. Remember, the vertical strips must be installed first. Otherwise, the vertical strips cannot be installed. The door lower shelf groove holds the back panel. First fix the back position, then install the door at the front. Don't fix the other side yet. After that, we start by installing the door. Now we show where the metal sheet is installed. Just note the installation position. Use the smallest screws for the metal sheet. Set them aside. You can install them when installing the door at the end. First, we need to find the shovel. Install the shovel into the holes on both sides of the door. Then, secure it by aligning the holes in the base plate and upper door panel. After installation, I can tighten the screws to secure it. The next accessories are relatively simple to install. First, find the short shelf board with 4 holes. Align it with the middle vertical strip and install. After fixing it, find the 2 vertical strips with holes in the middle. Install them into the outermost holes of the 4 shelf boards. After installation, find the shortest shelf board. Watch the video. Install it between the bracket and the middle vertical strip with holes. Isn't it simple? After that, find the short shelf board with 4 holes. Follow the previous steps. Install step by step. Then find the long shelf board with holes in the middle. Align it with the vertical strips and bracket, then install. The top panel installation is the same. Align with the bracket holes on both sides and tighten with screws. If you can't do the top panel alone, ask a friend or family member to help. It will be easier that way. After installation, let's start installing the drawers. To install the drawers, first find the front panel. 2 short side panels. First, install the side panels onto the drawer front panel. Remember the groove, then insert the drawer bottom into the groove. Finally, install the drawer back panel. Tighten with the second longest screws. After assembling the drawer, install it into the cabinet. Finally, don't forget to tighten the screws in a few places. Do not forget to secure them. Now, our curio cabinet is fully assembled. Thank you for watching. My one and only.